Hey guys, it's Gareth RPM Diecast, and today we're doing the new Hot Wheels 8-pack. It has the Haka for the multi-pack exclusive car. The one thing that I don't like, my only gripe, is that there's only 3 licensed cars and the rest are all fantasy. You got the Haka, you got the Vet, and you got the Lambo, and the rest are all fantasy castings, which is, in my opinion, that's ass. That's ass. Another problem that we're having in stores is that they'll pull this car. So you'll go to the store and they'll have 5 of these boxes and they just pull this car right out. Or they'll either cut it or they'll open the side and pull it out that way, which sucks. It sucks. Anyway, I'm gonna crack this open. I'm not showcasing all these cars. I'm gonna showcase the licensed ones because who really wants to look at fantasies? Nobody. And then we'll be back after. That was the Hot Wheels 8-pack, the one with the Haka as the multi-pack exclusive car. Couple things. One, I find it absolutely ridiculous you're putting 3 licensed cars out of 8 cars. When you buy the 10 packs, you usually get way more licensed cars. Oh, another thing, it's $20 for an 8-pack, it's $20 for a 10-pack, $20 for 3 cars. That's basically what you're buying. You're paying $20 to get the Haka, the Vet, and the Lambo. Because the rest are fantasy. We toss those in our dollar bin of junk, the fantasy cars. So really, you're getting 3 cars for $20. And the 10-packs, you get more licensed cars. Now, I understand that the exclusive is what makes the packs a lot of the time, but dude, people are cutting them open to steal. And I know this isn't new. I'm aware this isn't new knowledge. People have been opening packages to get this stuff for years, but the fact that they're just getting it to get the one car because they don't want to spend the $20, I didn't want to either. But you know what? I got one because again, I wanted the Haka, but still, like, it's just insane. It's just insane. Anyway. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and keep on collecting.